Okay, hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining in this bootcamp session. So today we would like to learn about the essential knowledge, skill, and information for medical virtual assistant. So the topic today is practice management software. It's a simple practice and of course actual navigation. So let's start to learn. Introduction to a simple practice. SimplePractice is a cloud-based platform designed for health and wellness professionals. It streamlined administrative tasks and enhanced client engagement. This presentation will explore its features, benefits, and how to maximize its use. So let's go to the next page. What is SimplePractice? SimplePractice is a practice management software tailored for mental health, therapy, and wellness providers. It offers scheduling, billing, documentation, and telehealth functionalities. The platform aims to simplify daily operation for small to medium practices. Okay, that's the example of a simple practice. The website display you can see on the right side. Okay, next. Key features simple practice. Secure electronic health record or EHR for client documentations. Automated appointment scheduling and reminders. Integrated billing, invoicing, and insurance claim processing. Okay, next. User interface and accessibility. The platform features an intuitive, user-friendly interface. It is accessible from any device with internet connectivity. User can customize dashboard and workflow to suit their practice needs. Okay, next. Client portal functionality. Client can securely complete intake forms online. They can view upcoming appointment and billing statement. The portal encourages engagement and reduces administrative workflow. Okay, next. Scheduling and calendar management. SimplePractice allows real-time appointment booking. It offers calendar sharing and availability management. Automated reminders help reduce no-show and cancellation. Okay, let's go to the next page. Billing and payment. The platform supports insurance billing and claim submission. Client can pay invoices online through a secure portal. Automatic payment tracking simplifies revenue management. Okay, next. Telehealth integration. SimplePractice integrates seamlessly with telehealth providers like Zoom. It enables secure, HIPAA compliance, virtual assistant. And then scheduling and session link are managed within the platform. Okay. So documentation and notes. Providers can create customizable template for notes. Secure storage ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations. Notes can be easily accessed and shared as needed. Okay, next. Practice management and workflow automation. Automate appointment reminders and follow-up. Streamline client onboarding and intake processes. Custom workflow improve efficiency and reduce error. Okay, next. Reporting and analytics. So these features can generate report on appointment, revenue, and client progress. Use analytics to identify practice trends and improve services. Data export option facilitate further analysis. Next, security and compliance. SimplePractice complies with HIPAA and other data security standards. Data encryptions and secure login protocols protect client information. Regular update ensure ongoing compliance and also security. Next, customization and scalability. The platform can be tailored to different practice size and specialties. Custom forms, notes, and workflow enhance personalization. It scales easily as your practice grows. Next, benefit of using SimplePractice. So it can increase efficiency, reduce administrative overhead, and improve client management and also enhance satisfaction. The platform enables better financial management. So streamline admin tasks, optimize client care, and then manage and grow your practice. And of course, it is for privacy and support. Next, challenges and limitation. Some features may require additional training for new users. Costs can add up for a larger practices with multiple users. Reliance on internet connectivity means downtime can disrupt the operations. Okay, next. So this is the tips for maximizing SimplePractice. First, take advantage of a training resources and tutorial. Automate routine tasks to save time. And of course, regularly review report to inform practice improvement. Next, integration with other tools. So this is for SimplePractice, which can integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks. It can also connect with various telehealth platforms, and these integrations help streamline overall practice management. Okay, next. Pricing and plans. So multiple subscription tiers are available based on features needed. Pricing generally includes a monthly fee per providers. And of course, additional costs may apply for add-on features and integration. So you can see that actually this software is free, but if you want to add some features, there are some package. So you must add additional price for this feature. You can see on the right side. All right, next. So the next part is about feature development and update. So the platform is regularly updated with new features. User feedback influences upcoming improvement, and future plans include enhanced AI tools for scheduling and documentation. Next, conclusion and resources. So SimplePractice offers a comprehensive solution for practice management. It helps providers save time, reduce error, and improve client care. And for further information, visit the official website and training resources. Okay, next. So that's all for practice of our management. So a project success is not built in a final delivery. It built in every clear plan, aligned team, and timely decision along the way. And the most important things as a virtual assistant, you must well organize, make a tracking and monitoring regularly, and of course, they will be smooth, and you will help your client or your leader to manage the project well. So thank you so much for listening and joining in this session. We will meet again in another session. Have a good day.